join me for experimenting day with some fabulous results. With the canvas that I just wiped with my, I poured the paint off. The one you just seen that I poured the paint off and then just wiped the base with a paper towel. So I'm just basically using up some leftover paints, but I just love the colour combo that I've got mixed, so I thought I'll just push on, and it basically gives me good practice for techniques, and you can always, or you might always find the new next best thing when you're experimenting in your art room. So it's a very enjoyable and therapeutic pastime, I find. Nice to switch off all the craziness and the news feeds and things on your computer and go and do something that gives you joy. Just switch off and go into your own little world of joy. That's what I find when I'm painting. Looking at these colours now, I absolutely just love these colours. They're just really gorgeous. So enjoying working with them and just trying different techniques. This one I'm going to just use basically various techniques in the same pour. So I've done the cut pour and the kind of ribboned the paint, and now I'm doing a chaos blow, and I will finish it off with a nice bloom. So I just think combining techniques is just a really lovely pastime, and you can get some lovely pieces. So watch on till the end, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. So that was enjoyable. Now I'm, you see, I've blown out my floral effect, and now I'm just trying to do something nicer with the centre and create a nice detail in the centre, like petals, which I always find lovely. But look at this is beautiful, and a nice little frame on this, or unframed. It's just gorgeous. So it's a lovely, lovely piece, this. I was quite happy with it when it finished, so keep watching. I'll be down to show you the good bits, and thanks for staying with me. So that was my little combo pour, showing you what you can do. You can combine techniques. So there was just a cut pour and chaos blow, and then some balloon kissing, blowing out some floral effects, and leaving the both techniques on the same canvas. It's quite lovely. The colours are perfect, and the actual depth in it is lovely. I'm really hoping that you enjoyed that little crazy journey. I've been having a day of just experimenting today. Yes, I have been scraping off canvases, starting again, just to keep trying different techniques. So I probably will do something else with this piece. I'm not quite sure yet, but hope you enjoyed the journey, and please stay with me. I am hearing that a lot of my subscribers are not getting notifications, so if you're one of those, please unsubscribe and then resubscribe, and apparently that resets the algorithm-y thing. So go from there and see if it works for you. But I just want to let you all know that I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.
coffee in a paper cup. The engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maidenhair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space.